Oh yeah, I'm waiting. I have starved myself all day for the food. I think it should be worth it.
Fish fry is not the typical fish fry that you think of when like it's just not fried. It's it is something else.
Okay.
Okay. And when your people are out for pujo, especially in Kolkata, now fish kobiraji. It's called fish kobiraji.
Fish Kobe
Doesn't
Raji.
it sound royal?
It does.
Yeah.
It
So
does.
fish kobiraji is something that everybody is very fond of,
Okay.
and we have to have that. You know, I have been following Dolly. Everybody has been following Dolly from the IDiva days, and now here she is. Does it feel like you're living a dream?
It does. That's why I was tearing up, inside because you take a moment and you're like, oh my god, I'm so grateful because I'm living my dream. This year has been fantastic for me, and I genuinely felt overwhelmed just by the joy and genuinely I feel like this, of this little girl who used to dream of these things and it's all happening. Kind of feels unreal.
You know, whenever I see you with your parents, I feel they are living a dream than more than you.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm from a middle class family, and I see that in you. And you know how it is for a middle class girl, and how much we have to fight to
Fight.
be there.
Yeah.
It is a constant hustle and a struggle, right?
Yeah.
In a good way.
In a good way.
In a good way.
And we're ready to do it.
If we are ready to
You're
do
doing it.
Yes.
All the girls.
Yeah, all the girls. But tell me about your first job. When you took that first job, did you have a dream of becoming an actor, or did you think of what you want to be 10 years later?
I always wanted to be an actor, as a kid.
Really?
As a kid. But I think when you grow, but I was also an insecure child, so I was like, oh my god, I'm not pretty enough to be there. But I would feel jealous of all the child actors. But you grow up, you become more realistic about life. You're like, I don't have that much money. I'm so far away from Bollywood in a small town. What am I going to do? I don't have any connections. And I just was so underconfident that I was like, okay, you know what? I'll study hard, I'll get a good job like everybody else, and that's how it'll be. So when life took this weird turn and I went back to content and acting, that's when I was like, I sometimes feel like, universe really does work in different ways.
Yes.
This is more important.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is fish, okay?
Yeah.
So people who think this fish fry is with bones, this has no bones.
I mean,
Yeah. Kashundi. Without kashundi, how can we have this?
yeah.
Oh. Yeah? That's what was missing. अब क्या करें हम?
Next.
क्या क्या है बताइए?
This is mutton and chicken biryani.
Okay.
This is aloo dum. This is butter paneer. This is mutton kosha, and this is chicken kosha.
Mutton kosha and luchi. So I'll tell you the difference between a puri and a luchi.
Yes.
Puri is made with atta.
Yeah.
Luchi is made with pure maida. It is white in color.
The best thing ever, no?
Yeah, just
Maida.
like a sari.
Oh, yeah.
It's white in color. It's so unhealthy that it makes me so happy.
Unhealthy things taste the best,
How did this movie happen? Did you get a call? Like, will it ever happen to me? Will I get a call?
No. I don't think I am that special enough yet to get a call and be like, you have been, this is an offer for you, this is the script and come get it. I'm still not there yet. But basically an audition came, and when the first time the audition came, I honestly didn't like it, because it was another best friend role. I had already done a few blink and miss best friend roles, and I was getting pretty tired of it. And I just gave it, and they also didn't like it. I got rejected. Then 2 months down that,
Dolly got rejected.
Yeah, I got rejected. And 2 months after that, they actually got back saying, something about your audition really stuck with us. We want to re-audition you. And I said, okay. And then when that came, and anyway, I was not getting any other audition. I was like, you know what? It's coming back. Let's give it your 100%. We'll see what it is. Then I gave my 100%. They liked it. Gave me a second scene, a more intense scene to work around. Then I also found that, okay, there's intense scenes and all. Maybe it's a bigger role. Then I got more excited. And I gave that audition. So we did like 5-6 rounds of audition, chemistry tests with other girls, Bhumi. Basically 6-7 rounds of audition and then a 20-day workshop to build your characters. That's how it happened. I'm already digging in, okay?
Now tell me how
Wait,
it is.
to take some mutton.
Nails are gone. This is forever look. This is going to be the look of this interview.
You know when you dance and you just like get good food.
When your heart is singing. Yes.
Oh my God.
मेरी बारी.
Yeah,
और
please.
यार ये इतना गरम क्यों है सब कुछ? It's so good. Eat some mithai.
Eat some mithai.
Mishti. Come here, Mishti. Come.
I want to have sandesh.
First to decide what you want to have. You can't have the whole stall.
Okay, I'll have
Clearly.
chamcha.
Okay, you'll have some.
And I'll have the baked rasgulla.
And sandesh.
And sandesh.
Okay, so one sandesh, one baked rasgulla and one chamcha.
Okay, this is my transition to becoming a Bengali.
I'm going to eat the puri now, Luchi, and she's going to eat the sandesh. Good?
Very good. And I like the fact that it's not too meatha.
It is made of good.
Well, you guys know your things, huh? And this was?
This was.
This is chom chom. Oh yeah. Can I have it by hand?
Yeah, go. Eat. Nice. So you're eating chom chom for the
So
first
good.
time.
It is my first time. I like that it has a juicy layer and then the...
Inside.
Yeah.
But tell me, are you a sweet person? Not like, I can't ask if you're a sweet person. Of course, you're a sweet person. Whatever.
I'm a sweet person.
Yeah, she's a sweet person. But do you like sweet more or savory?
I like savory more. But that's why I like these sweets because they're not too sweet. They're
right?
not overpowering.
I'm sure you have had a lot of pani puris.
I've never had a fuchka.
A pani puri and a fichka are two different things, okay?
Okay, today we're going to decide what my opinion is.
North Indian versus a Bengali decides a puchka or a pani puri. Not a what do you call it at your place?
We call it pani puri in UP.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah.
Or golgappa.
Or golgappa.
Golgappa. We call it puchka.
Yeah.
So we will decide कौन सा better है. Yeah?
चलो.
चले?
Let's see.
मैं अपनी
Everything
फिश
is-
लेके जाती हूँ. तुम अपना मिठाई ले लो. एक मुंह में
चम
डालो,
चम
एक हाथ में लो. Put it inside your mouth. Take one in a hand. And take that in. Wow. Settlement. Let's go. I am settled. Okay, guys. Here we go. Golgappa or puchka?
I see it. Fuchka. Oh my god, I'm still catching up.
And
you know?
excuse me, guys. There's nothing called meetha pani for puchka. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
No, even in golgappa.
There's no meetha pani. ये मीठा पानी क्या होता है? हैं? ये क्या होता है मीठा पानी?
मीठा पानी पीने वाले
नहीं, sorry.
कमजोर.
Disowned. Now drink it. Come on. What is up?
I love that there's so many layers to it. There's like masala inside. There's that whole aloo. All of that is mixed.
Aloo and chole.
Aloo and chole.
Okay. Go. Chuck it. Chuck. Oh, there you go. Dolly has done it. She's officially a Bengali.
Yeah.
I declare. She's officially a Bengali. Okay, come. We'll have Mishti
हाँ
Doi.
मिष्टी देगी.
There you go.
Look at this beauty, yeah.
Oh my god. That's it. You end this food session with Mishti Doi. How can you not end it with Mishti Doi, right?
Yeah, I mean, and
You
the
have
way
missed-
it's like gliding down my esophagus. कैसा लग रहा है आप? Speechless हो गई आप?
Thank you so much, Dolly. Thank you for being here with us for Pujo, and you made it just extra special. And I'm so glad I could feed you.
I am so happy. You have no idea when this started happening. We have done this very last minute,
Yeah,
and when the
very
offer
last
came that they're planning to do this, I was jumping. I was like, I just need to arrange a beautiful sari, and I need to go because I've never done this, and I was so excited to eat Bengali, the authentic Bengali food. आज ना मेरा actually एक बहुत बड़ा सपना पूरा हुआ है. I am genuinely very happy, and
With
I'm eyeing
NDTV.
more food now.
Thank you so much. This is Dolly, and this is Abira for NDTV.